Well peeps, well what turned out to be a drone flight has turned into an Explorer now. Behind us is the AAOR
post.
There we go. Anti Aircraft Operations Room, right? Down here at Inverkip. It's now under redevelopment, as you can see. What do you call it? It's soon to be all shut off. So we're going to show you around what is left of this place. You see, it was known as the Anti Aircraft Operations Room, and it was built in 1951. And what do you call it? It was just, went out of use, and then the Navy took it over, and it was known as HMS. I can't even say that. Delander. You know, just the Navy boys to come up with a weird name. Eh? So we're going to jump about. Jamie's going to take the Sparky. We're going to get an aerial view of the place and get the place before it's converted. As you can see just now in the background, it's got the metal structure, support steels. We were looking down, it remains the original steel door here. Round about. See Jamie's here. So, not even sure what would have been up there. Possibly an anti-aircraft gun? Maybe, it's hard to tell. So we've not got any images of what's happening down there. You've got a bit, as I said. You see the channeling underneath there for lights of the cables and that stuff for the X. Obviously a steel beam, the original one that's lying in the water. As Jamie says, it looks like the place has run out of money to be built. Oh, well said, Jamie. Original hoist for lifting heavy stuff, possibly. As I said, it was used by the Navy Reserves. But then it got abandoned. I'll have to tell you more, but I can't remember what I've done with my information. I said, could have been. That's back around. A plaque, a hole or something down the other end there. See, the Navy took it over in 1964-65 and used by the Royal Navy Reserves, becoming HMS Dala between 1965 and 1969. And finally abandoned in the mid-70s, and it was devastated by fire in the 90s. The ground floor was severely damaged, and the lower floor, although undamaged by the fire, was flooded as a result of the firefighting efforts above. Reports indicate recognisable remains within the building, and the entries have been sealed shut. Well, due to the building works, they've been opened up, and that's what me and Jamie are working about in. So, quick tour, and what do you call it? Jamie's just going to get a couple of drone shots, and we'll take it from there. And there's the main door. Right folks, just want you to know, high-tech security. Right, it really gave us so much problems to get into this site, it's been unbelievable. So we'll show you how we done it.
Really difficult, eh?
And there you go. High-tech security.